My name is Yi. I'm come from China, and I bought this hotel in 2009. The pinpoint is our customers is not satisfied with the Wi-Fi. There's no speed, no bandwidth. Also, when the people want to watch the YouTube, even make the telecom meeting, sometimes the customer is for business trip, there's no connection. The most complaint and the review, I would see that on the booking.com, they will say that, oh, the poor Wi-Fi. Well, in the past, I tried to buy more repeaters to fix my poor internet condition, but it costs a lot of money, also a lot of time. I contacted to Huawei company and I want to try this FTTR. They come in really fast and only 4 hours fix everything. The wall color is white. Using this transparent fiber, you cannot see it anymore, but it's working really fast. It's really difficult to let the customers to log in because they change the floor, then they have to change the password and the name. Right now, we only have one name and no password. Because I bought the contract said that it's 500 megabits. Before Huawei coming here, I never feel that. Right now, I can every day feel this speed. I think this time I choose Huawei FTTR is the best choice. You spend not too much money and can use for a long time, maybe 10 years, 20 years. You can watch the YouTube stably, 1 hour, 2 hours, it doesn't matter. Compared to before, maybe only 5 minutes and 10 minutes. After assembling the Huawei equipment, our review point increased. Only in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Sometimes we ask our customers, how do you feel about our hotel? No complaint about the Wi-Fi.